All right, cool beans. Welcome to the midweek fundamental and technical analysis. Looking at the dollar is always taking you back to Monday night. I told you guys I wanted to see the dollar open up bearish off of the um, weekly PD array, right? And we pushed down to there today off of that upper discount array for that weekly PD array. And I'm sorry we pulled down into there yesterday. Not today. We pulled down into there yesterday, right? But that's what we wanted to see opening up off of that level. What I dropped in the group um Sunday and Monday, we were down in here and we wanted to see us come on down and retest that level. We got that retest, and today price was bullish back up into um, this weekly PD array. So I still want to see if price breaks above this upper premium array, right? So we can push through this daily, not daily, but weekly fair value gap. That's what that red structure is right here. So we want to see, I want to see if we can get above that. If we can't get above that, then I'm gonna continue to be bearish on the dollar and see if we can make our way back down to the yearly lows. But we need to if we're gonna go lower, we do um want to see price go higher first. So I would like to see us reach up through this weekly fair value gap and then close below it to continue to push to the downside. So that's what I'm looking at going forward for the rest of the week, right? We break it back down to the daily. Yeah, we're starting out this Asian session a little bullish going into, we'll see, going into London. London should tip his hand and see if we could get the London kill zone, that 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. zone to set the daily high for tomorrow, right? We can get that bad boy to set. Now let me go back to the daily right. Well, no, let me go back to the hour. See something. If we could get hmm, yeah, uh, If we could get price to set that daily high around that London kill zone in between this 2 a.m. to 5 a.m. for a London session, then we could short this bad boy on back down to the weekly discount rate, down into that lower level, run this sell side liquidity down into this BC fair value gap, buy side and balance, sell side inefficiency. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna be looking for the dollar. Go back to the data right quick. Yeah. So not that we necessarily trading dollar, but we just gauging our other markets that we do trade. So you already know, looking at the dollar to be bullish, push up into that weekly fair value gap. You already know we're expecting Euro USD to be bearish. I want to see us push down, retest this weekly premium I'm sorry, discount array. Yeah, we pushed up today, ran up into last week's PD array, right? 62 in the 79 level. Yeah. So I want to see if we I want to see us pull back down to at least retest this upper discount array for this weekly PD array. So yeah. Mm-hmm. Little ugly 2022 model. Well, that one ugly right there. That was beautiful, actually. That 2022 model right there. And again, right here. So see us pull on back down into this PD array. It's about 90 pips, around 80 something pips to the top PD array. 120 if it pushed down to the lower level. So nice little trade setup right there for Euro. GBP USD already moved. GBP USD might fall on down into this she might fall on down into there. That's what I'm gonna be expecting anyway. Especially if we see that a continuation to the upside for the dollar. See a roll on down. We test this order block right here. Daily order block. See what we got going on. Once we get there, see how price react to it. Mm-hmm. We got action right up in there too. So don't know. We could. I want to see. Yeah. What? Back on here for a second. Okay. Hmm. Hmm. Right on that bad boy. Let's see. That'll be perfect. Yep. Um, I won't be expecting GDP to come down no further than 0.25, 645, this level right here. Because this is that see how I threw that field on there? Excuse me. Go back to the and I marked that this weekly range right here from week before last. And well, this is that weekly range that I just marked right here from week before last, the week of the 12th, June the 12th. And this is the PD array of that level. We already hit the 62, so I didn't throw a level on there, right? I just marked the lower PD array. And I broke it down to the daily time frame to see it was it gonna fall on top of that order block that I had pointed out, and it fell right there on that order block. So that's why I said I won't be expecting price to pull down no further, and that if we push through there and close above below there with like a thick aggressive candle, then buyers change and I'll be looking for us to start running sell side liquidity, right? So until then, I'll be expecting if Dixie keep pushing to the upside, I'll be expecting yeah, I am Amir. Uh yeah. Um I'll be expecting us to push down to this lower level of this market structure or no lower than this PD array of this weekly range. And we got a little and inverse fair value gap right there. So yeah, for the dollar, um, yeah, that'll line up perfect. So the dollar just come up, close through there, and then come on back down. That'll give us what we need to see GDP, USD come on down, and then push on back up. And NZD USD look like she just want to fall through the floor. So I ain't really been too interested in USD but she falling, um, falling. Like she gonna continue falling too. Okay, we got action. Mm-hmm. Got action. Hmm. Hmm. Definitely gonna pump my brakes on well, let me see something. Okay. Yeah, she about to reverse right now. She ain't got nowhere else to go but this thing down. So, yep, it's good. It's what it's looking like for NZD USD. So we might see currencies just roll over all the way across. Mhm. So yeah, looking going forward for the rest of the week, I want to see them currencies sell off. Um, and did see bullish and look at metals. Same thing for metals. I want to see us push to the downside for metals. Yep, yep. Oil. Y'all already know the score with oil. I'm trying to get above 75. Start looking for long positions. Futures. Um, we pretty much been talking about futures throughout the day. So really think about it. But we was looking at the 2022 model setting up yesterday, right? Um, I had dropped this in the group. You wanted to see her come down. Well, I wanted to see her come down to fill in this imbalance we see right here, right? Off of that 2022 model. We got half of that move, right, to this market structure, but we didn't break the rest of it, which is cool. Um, and then this morning had a couple silver bullet. I mean, we had the silver bullet um, set up, come in 10, 20. Could have got back in at well, nah, that was after. That was 11:25. So yeah, you had to catch that silver bullet at 10:20 this morning between 10:20 and 10:25. Um, so around that buy side liquidity right there. And then we reached for that 44. I told you guys in the group chat that I thought today was gonna be a seek and destroy day, meaning price was just gonna run previous highs and previous lows all throughout the day, and that's what we basically seen. We seen previous high ran, previous low ran, this high ran again right here. Um, we never came back down to run this low, and then we just kind of like traded the rest of the day inside this move right here after we ran all previous lows and highs going into the lunch hour, right? Right here at 12:15, going into the lunch hour. And then we sold off from there before reaching that 44.31 50 level, right? Sold off hard and then made our way back up towards it going into the close of the day. So I was looking at ES, right? Because you guys know I've been trading ES heavy for a minute. Switched from U30 to ES or YM, should I say, to ES. But I was looking at ES now just for the template. Um, so yeah, I was looking at ES and ES was correlating with the dollar today, right? Um, but ES didn't break above its daily fair value gap. Um, and the, the dollar steady pushing heavy up. So I'm thinking that we could see ES continue to correlate with the dollar, right? Um, because we see here Tuesday, right? Yesterday was a bullish day for ES. Um, but if we look at Tuesday for the dollar, Tuesday gave us that bearish push that we needed, that we wanted to see come down and retest that weekly PD array, right? So Tuesday they was inversely correlated with each other, and today they correlated with each other. So um, there's some divergence there, obvious, and I want to see where the divergence is. If the dollar continues to push up into that weekly fair value gap right here, that red shaded area, then we may see ES push up and retest that lower weekly PD array and give us a big reaction to that to run back down into this PD array to the sell side. Run this sell side liquidity and push down into this fair value gap in this sell side PD array. That would be the daily PD array. So this is a weekly premium array, and this down here is a daily from yesterday's price action, price range. So that's what I'm gearing up for. That's what I'm suiting up for ES, to see if we get that reaction off of that lower weekly PD array. I'm gonna take that. Go ahead and take this off because this served this purpose already. That 2022 model that we got to come down and fill in this imbalance. Right, we came right down and filled it in perfectly. It was about 60 ticks. I told you I like to come up to that consequent encroachment, not to be too aggressive. But we came all the way down here, like 67 ticks, 16.75 handle. So serve this purpose. We back above it. Let's see if we reach up into that weekly premium array. All right. And we see this accumulation. So we get that manipulation. We might even reach up to that upper, that top premium array level, and then slam down hard. So that's what I'm suiting up for futures. Um, yeah, see us reach up across futures. Yep, across the board. Biddy, I told y'all what it was for Biddy. Me and Corman was already talking about Biddy earlier today. Um, I want to see us hold where we at. I don't want to see us go below 28,000. If we do go below 28,000, then falling back down into this imbalance. If we go below 28,000, this is 28,480. Let's just call it 28,500, 28,500. If we go below there, we falling down into this imbalance, this structure. You have to see if we hold that. But I don't want to see us fall below here. I really want to see us hold this structure here around 29.5 and continue on up to 32,000, our next level, outside liquidity. push up above that, then we may come back down to 28.5. I want to see us. I don't really want. If we push up above 32 hard, um, we pull back down to this structure here at like 35. Yeah, 30,500. I want to see us hold that. I want to see a strong hold right there, that structure. We hold that strongly, then I want to see us push up quickly to that next level at 40,000. That may happen within the next month or so, and then depending on market conditions, what's going on fundamentally, we may see some um, accumulation in this area or consolidation, whatever you want to call it, before we continue to the upside. But Biddy is definitely coming for these all-time high, this all-time high up here at 70,000, 69,000, whatever it was, 67,700. So yeah, it's definitely coming forward. So yeah, that's what I want to see out of Biddy. Ethereum, same thing. Let me see us go ahead and push on up 2200, 2500. Ethereum coming for them highs as well. 48,000. I mean, well, yeah, 4,867. We will see it again. Ethereum and Biddy will see them all time highs. And Acorn, big Acorn. We're gonna see them $27 again. Don't worry, we gonna see them slowly accumulating our way up. Slowly. I think once we get back above $4, we're gonna see eight fly. Because it ain't a lot of resistance there after we break up. You get above $6, you don't really have no. And once we break $7, $8, man, it's all. We ain't really got no resistance except for this last little structure right here at 10, like $9 once. We take that $10 buy side liquidity, it's a wrap. Ain't no stopping until $17. So not really $14. That's still a good little bump. And then we got what daily fair value you got right here at between $17 and $18. So yeah, crypto is looking bright for crypto. Now that BlackRock done stamped it. But I'm gonna go ahead and pass it over to Carmen so she can get on her fundamental thing. It's all yours, Carmen. You good, Kadi?
Oh, wait, it's my turn?
Yes.
Okay. Um, Hello. I Let's see what we're going to talk about tonight. Um, there's so many things that I want to talk about. Lots of things I don't want to talk about. Let's see.